Has emerged as the dominant buyers in Safaricom's green bond issue, accounting for 96% of the bond subscriptions and surpassing participation from institutional investors. According to sector players, this underscores a strong appetite from individual investors for sustainable fixed income assets and reinforcing confidence in the telco as well as the Kenyan capital market. As Jimmy Mbogo now reports, players in the capital market now project an increased participation from retail investors, even as the NSE seeks to have more or over 9 million of them to remain active in the market.
Safaricom's push to run a sustainable business has received a major shot in the arm with the oversubscription of its medium-term note aimed at raising 15 billion worth of green investment. By receiving subscriptions worth 41.4 billion shillings, a 175% oversubscription. According to Safaricom Chief Finance Officer Dilip Pal, 59% of all applications were done and paid via mobile money, while 96% of all applications came from retail investors, with Safaricom receiving over 2,453 individual applications, representing a significant increase in retail investor participation.
Capital markets is thriving and it's growing, it's on its journey, and we see more and more retail participation. We believe that this probably is the starting point of more and more retail participation, and we'll be very happy that if we become one of the one of the anchor by which now other investors, other issuers can also come in and issue similar bond. And
part of the reason that worked very well for retail investors is the ability to invest digitally using the M-Pesa platform and of course mobile phones and that sort of connectivity. So you can see also the role technology can play in enabling opportunities like this to come to market.
The oversubscription of Safaricom Green Bond now means that the telco will utilize its green shoe option, a provision that allows them to take up more money than they set out to raise, meaning that although Safaricom had set out to raise 15 billion shillings, the telco will take up 20 billion shillings, 5 billion shillings more than they set out to raise, with a remainder of about 20 billion shillings being refunded to investors. But according to NSE CEO Frank Mwiti, investors should explore other options and only opt for a refund as the last option.
From where we sit, we would love for a lot of that money to actually participate in all the other opportunities that are available on our exchange. So to the extent that the brokers interfacing with the investors inform the investors that there are these other opportunities that you can still participate in, including, of course, the Safaricom listed shares, which are behind the issuer.
The bond will be used to finance the telco energy-efficient infrastructure and digital future, green data center, renewable power solution, digital platform, and extend access to underserved populations.
The proceeds for this first issuance will support investment that power our network responsibly.
Our markets are deepening. The Kenyan markets are deepening. Our governance standards have strengthened, and our investor confidence is growing in the markets where we are. Even with the global conditions and challenges we saw this year, I'm confident to say that the African institutions are raising capital competitively. Investors are responding to credible and long-term opportunities in our markets.
Jimmy Mbogo, Citizen TV, Nairobi.